Oh my gosh, look what I just made for my mini-me!
Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover and West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. This week, I've been doing a lot of Barbie DIY with Barbie truck tour items. And now, you know what? After I opened these Barbie patches and Barbie pins, these are really cute. I love them. I have the background paper from the package left. I couldn't throw these away, but I still have these because these are really cute. How can I waste these? And I was thinking, how could I use this cute stuff into some Barbie DIY? And I just got the cutest idea, so I will show you today. So let's start.
All you need is the background paper from the package of Barbie patches or Barbie pins from Barbie truck tour. Yeah, either one will work. So the little one is from Barbie pins and the bigger one is from Barbie patches. Now I'm making a photo frame for Barbie size. Don't you love this idea? I think it's gonna be really cute. So first of all, let me show you what this small size. So this one is good for the one Barbie size. So first, let me cut this part off. If you are perfectionist, of course you can draw the line first with a ruler or something. I'm not that picky, so I'm just cutting out. And make the corner rounder because here it's also round. If there's some ruler or something which could cut things straight, that would be better, but I don't have anything like that today. So I'm using a cutter. I'm using this random acrylic case because it's straight and I think I can use it. Yeah. So here you can just mark. And let's cut it. Don't cut straight all the way down. Not all the way down, but just in the middle part, which we want to cut out. Do not cut your finger. Let me put something underneath so I'm not gonna hurt my silicone mat. Oh, I found something. I totally forgot I had this cutting mat because I didn't want to cut my Barbie mat. This paper is pretty thick, so please be careful. Do not cut yourself. Oh my gosh, it's not straight. Aw, Azusa. That's okay. Well, it's not okay, but it's okay. Yeah, and cut here. Okay, almost. I really wish if I can just cut with scissors because that must be easier. Let me try. Ta-da! Look, it's the cutest photo frame. Okay, let me trim the ugly part. Like this. How cute is this? You can take cutest photo with this photo frame. If you use bigger size, this one, they do the same thing. With this one, you can make the bigger frame for 2 Barbies. So now I got 2 photo frames like this. I think it's gonna be perfect for my Barbie photo shoot. Look, you could take the cutest photo with your mini-me. Just be creative and you could do any Barbie DIY.
Thanks for watching my video. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie quarantine. Bye.